Hi everyone! So the company Jesse James Bead has sent me a creators package, and I did sit down and create a few items, and if you follow me on Instagram, you already got a sneak peek as to what I made. So here is the video of me sharing, and my favorite piece that I made is this. It is a sun catcher. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. So I took a wire and actually wrapped it around a soda so I could get the circle shape. And then I just kind of went from there. And I just think it came out so gorgeous. It's beautiful. I was even thinking maybe of possibly stringing some more of the thin wire in the background. And then it could be like a dream catcher possibly. So here is what it looks like, and I'm just in love. There are just so many pieces that I used. So this was from the string bead, and all of this was from the string bead. And then there were these little roses that I just loved in a cage, and then this is from the kit as well. And there's these 3 pieces right here are from the kit. And then on this one, I actually took the individual links of the chain and added it in to this longer piece. And this is part of the string bead as well. And then it just repeats on the other side. I am just so in love. I'm so happy with how it came out. It's exactly how I had imagined I wanted it to look like. And I did use this little kit right here, and I pretty much used all of it. I wire wrapped a bunch of pieces so they are ready to go and I can use in the future. I just have a couple of these little green ones and a couple of these little single beads. But look, I even wrapped these tiny little beads. So I have those still that I can go ahead and make more jewelry with. And then there was just so much. Like, I felt like I made a lot, but there's just still so much left. So here is the part that I used as well. So here are those chain links, and I just cut each individual one, and then that is what is right here, each little chain right there. So I still have this. I was thinking about maybe making like a triple layer bracelet between this chain and this chain, and then there should be enough that I could even do the triple layer like necklace. So I think I might still do that. And I did make some earrings, and I love the way the green and the gold look. I think they're just so pretty. So they're just little hoop earrings here, and the beads can move, which I like. I like movement, you know. So there's those. And then I have another set of where I took those tiny little brown beads and I put it in the center of this little triangle tassel. And I think that looks so cute together. So I do have the pair of earrings there for those. And then, let's see. And then this is what I have left on the string bead. So I still have quite a bit left that I can still make another project with. I love their stuff. It is such good quality. The beads are glass. I'm so in love. This one looks like a precious stone right here. Look at that. That is just so pretty. I used the other piece, which is right here. So I just used the bead caps that it came with and then just went ahead and wire wrapped it for that center piece right there. So these are my little project shares that I have so far out of what I've made using their products. There's just another little tiny wire wrap bead in there. These are so tiny. It's so cute though. I love that I just left it as one little bead because it's so pretty. And I was thinking about maybe dangling those all together just to make like little dainty earrings possibly. So Alright guys, that is my little project share. As you can see, there is still so much more I can use and so many more options I can make with this stuff, but you guys, I'm just so obsessed. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll leave a link to their Instagram so you guys could go check out what new products they have coming out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.